G'day Rockstars. So if you're watching this, we're now moving towards using these timesheets to complement the Deliver Plus build system in Trello. Some of you will have heard about it, and I'm going to give you an introduction into it via this process. Filling out the timesheet will help you understand the Deliver Plus build system, and the reason we're doing it, guys, is because we want to deliver Plus to our clients and you. The build system is around prompts that make us do tasks that remove pain. It's really essential that we feel like we're getting something out of it, because all of these things that are in this system are from experiences I've had and pain that you guys will have had on site. And if we can get it working so it's efficient and everyone values it, then we can measure every stage of the build and improve. And when we improve our efficiencies, it improves everything about the business, the whole health. So please embrace it. As always, if it shits you, if something shits you, we fix it. We need to know though. So just remember that crucial point. And I'll be running through it now in another video, which will be edited in here. So good job. Guys, here we have a brief introduction of the Deliver Plus build system. We're going to use 17 Bro as an example to show you how the boards in Trello work. Now, the boards are set up in two different categories. One's the 17 Bro Deliver Plus build system, which is for construction purposes. The other is the contract administration. This is to keep us organised within the office, and it's in line with the Deliver Plus build system. As we're highlighting each category, these are the separate stages within our build system, the 8 components. These 8 components have different names, as you can see the mouse running over them now. These are the names in the construction, and those categories are what's in your timesheet to tick. Within these names, site establishment, groundworks, demolition is a series of tasks, subheadings. Within those subheadings is prompts. Prompts to generate thought around how to complete specific works in a manner that's uniformed across the company, and to remove pain and frustration by being organised. While it feels like a chore, these things are really important for us to make a system that we can then measure. As you see, we're ticking all these different subheadings, and you can see all the different categories within them. Internal works, external works, and internal finishes. Each one of these categories under those headings is the task you would be doing if you were working on that category. These are the categories you will use in the timesheet. Now we move on to the timesheet, which will explain how these categories are relevant to what you're putting in each time you fill out your time. So this is the timesheet that you'll see on the website, the Deliver Plus Build System timesheet. At the top's the date, you fill in your name, your email, and this is day 1. You see Monday there. Then you have your start and finish times, your job number, which will be the job number of the job you're on, the build system component. Each day is set out like this. We expect you to largely work 8 hours on each job. You'll put your times in for 8 hours and you'll put 8 there. If for some reason you work for 4 hours on one job and 4 hours on another, you follow the same steps again: job number, category, hours. As you scroll down, you can see each day it's got 2 opportunities to do it. You might only need 1, but you've got 2 there. We expect you not to work more than 2. We're hoping that the system is worked through. You can see the days, Thursday, Friday, and then there's a Saturday. Saturday won't be filled out if you don't work it. We do expect you to work no more than 2 systems in a day. You might go to 2 jobs in a day. Then there's print, save, and submit. You have to submit the form. You don't have to keep it, but you have to submit it for us to receive it. So that's it. That's how you fill out the timesheet. Okay, guys. So that's the timesheet and Trello brief example. Some of you know how to use it. Some of you have been working on it. Some of you haven't. We want to introduce it to everyone, but this is the beginning. We want to make sure that you understand that we don't want 15-minute time allocations. We want hours at the minimum, and I'm suggesting maybe 2 hours in a stage. If you're doing something for an hour that's in another complete stage, we just need to work out the best way to handle that. But I don't think it needs to be done immediately. We want to be measuring large chunks, and we want to be following the system, so we're always working in it and not skipping to other areas, because when we skip to other areas, that's when problems happen. I really encourage you all to have a good go at it, because it's going to change how we work and operate and measure, and it's going to change, and it's living the vision. It will get us to living the vision, because it's going to make us better. I appreciate everyone's efforts, and please try and value it as much as we do, because it will change how we operate and deliver to you and our clients.